Hello, good night. My name is Daniela Torres. I am 29 years old. I am working in the platform financial or operations analytics, and I study business administrator in the 8th semester. And my family is Fanny Castro is my mom, born 1067, born on 28 November. She is 55 years old in the future and wants to travel the world and visit different museums. And my father is Wilson Torres, bar 1064, bar age John. He is 58 years old. In the future, he wants to buy an apartment and have a truck. My brother is Leon Torres Castro, bar 1086. He is 36 years old. In the future, he wants to go live in Spain and buy a car and apartment. And my sister is Jennifer Torres Castro, bar 1098, and is 21 October. She is 34 years old. In the future, she wants to have her son and travel the world. And my husband, my partner, is Leonardo Ortiz Maecha, bar 1088, and born 23 July. He is 34 years old and in the future and wants to travel to Cancun and finish paying for the apartment he both has. And my brother have two daughters. One daughter is Gabriela Torres Pinzon, born 2003, bar 25 May. She is 19 years old and in the future she wants to finish her university degree and go live in the another country. And two daughter is Dana Torres Castro, bar 2008, bar 25 May. She is 40 years old. In the future, she wants to finish her school, play basketball, and go live in Spain. And my daughter is Anabel Ortiz Torres, bar 2014, in the 12th January, and she is 8 years old. In the future, she wants to travel the world and go to many restaurants and be a model. Thank you.